Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is 139 magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. I'm your host P Fire, aka P's are good, P's are good, ever P's are good. Shout out to my guy Retro Man, Randy Savage, mad love to you. Guys, you already know what this is. This is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that I'm gonna go around the camera, come back on, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it. So let's do it. Oh, can I get in? Oh, shit, almost went off camera there. What's good, gang? You already know where it is. Let me move up close. Let me show you what we're working with. Let me give you the old twirl RJ so we can see what the twirl to the RJ is saying, and let's get into it. What's up, my beautiful people? Today we have this simple yet effective yet necessary for everyone's wardrobe, and I don't mean this particular jumper, but I mean a black sweater, you know. And today we have this Stone Island normal badge, special in its unspecialness, Stone Island black sweat. Nothing exotic, nothing special, no special pockets, just a really nice soft black sweat. And again, like I said, everyone should have a little black sweat in their wardrobe, a grey sweat and a navy sweat, and I think you're covered. And if you're feeling funky and quite completist, so you want the whole complete thing, get yourself an army green, you know, a taupe green, that kind of color sweat as well, and then you've got the whole smorgasbord. I'm not really hot on the whites, but you could add a white in there just to be complete. But yeah, let's get into it. Of course, you have these really thin ribbed cuffages right there, equilibrium, certain beautiful thing, left hand side, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side, beautiful soft ribbage, of course, perfect jumper size for the cuffages there. You don't want it too tight, a nice little bit of loosage there, right like so. Of course, that's the label right there. Let me tuck that in. You know, I'll be buying stuff and not wearing them all the time, so you know, boom, let me just give you that. Okay, you've got that nice round collar right there, super dope, super nice. It's just a simple black stony sweater. There's nothing crazy about this, nothing too sexy. I just thought I'd show you, now we're coming up to the winter months, the kind of things that I will be wearing en masse or more frequently, aka sweats, hoodies, you know, and obviously we're pulling out the big coats and the jackets. But guys, this is really it. Not much to do other than say, yeah man, get yourself a couple black jumpers. They don't have to be stony, they don't have to be anything, you know, but just make sure that they're warm and they're going to last the time period, and they're decent quality. Do you know what I mean? And you don't necessarily have to spend lots of money for quality, but it does help, you know. But anyway guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that. I've been your boy Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P Fire, aka park up here and pull up. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. You already know what this is. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit that. Guys, as always, I appreciate you, I thank you, and let me know your thoughts down below. Please comment, subscribe, like, share, do all the necessary, and yeah, I'm gonna get back to you, and I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Mad love. Peace.